You can reduce the volume using this knob, or you can adjust. Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be unboxing this wireless audio adapter. As you can see, this is the box, and this is how it looks. So sorry about the sticker. I tried to remove it and it told me I'm not coming from there, so I left it alone. Then this is the model C68. So this wireless audio adapter, it works both ways. That is, it receives audio and also it can transmit the audio. So it supports Bluetooth, and also it supports flash drive, micro SD card, dual channel, as you can see, connection, and then it also supports aux connection. Then on the back here for the Bluetooth, it is up to, the range is up to 10 meters. So the other specification you can pause if you want to read. So let us unbox and see what comes with this audio adapter. So this adapter, I bought it for around $9, which is cheap compared to the functions which comes with it. So you can go ahead and buy and try it out. I really like it for all the function it comes with it. So guys, first we have a manual. You can if you want to read, you can go ahead and read if you want to see how it works, but I don't think anyone reads it, but you can refer. Then we have this we have this dual channel connection, this cable, which you can use it with your old DVD players. We have some woofers or home theaters which supports this. Then we have our power cable, which is a USB type C, which is a good thing, guys. Something to come with this adapter. It's more gadget, but they have included type C. Then we have aux cable, so you can see aux cable. That's nothing to say a lot. Then we have our remote here. That's small remote. You can imagine this adapter is very small and comes with a lot of accessories. So you can pause if you want to check what's on the remote. And the remote comes with this cover for the battery, so to avoid contact, so you have to remove it so that the battery can have the contact and you will use the remote. Then we have the adapter itself, guys. As you can see, this is the adapter, and then it's quite small compared on if you have seen the pictures. If I can show you the pictures, it is quite small compared to the pictures. You can imagine getting it and being surprised. Anyway, all the function and everything it's included, so I cannot complain about the size. So on top here we have our button here. This is on and off, and it's used for you to hang up the call or to answer, as you can see, if you have connected your phone. And it also works as a volume up and down. So yeah, this is it has a lot of function. Then here we have, if you are playing music and you want to go next or previous, these are the buttons, so you can go next or you can go previous. Then we have a mode, our mode here, mode button. Then we have a microphone here, so this you can still use the microphone if you are connected to something which needs you to use a microphone. Then on the front here we have our LED screen, which will be showing you the mode which you are in. On the side here we have 2 ports, which is for SD card down here, and then we have for flash disk. You can connect it there. Then on the back we have our power connection, which is 5 volts, and you can still use your phone charging cable because it's still 5 volts to connect here. Then we have our dual channel connection here, and then we have our aux port here. On the side here we have, this works with the Bluetooth only. So it works if you want to, RX is to receive and TX is to transmit data. So if you, to transmit data or audio. So if you want to receive data with through Bluetooth, just switch on this side. If you want to transmit audio or data with Bluetooth, because it has Bluetooth capabilities, you just switch it on the other side. Then on the bottom here we have these beautiful fits. They have a cover, so you need to remove it. This cover, as you can see, is good. When you are pressing it down, it won't be going sideways, to stay permanently where you have stationed it. So the good thing about this adapter is because it works both ways, so you can receive and you can still transmit the data. You don't need two adapters, one for transmitting and one for receiving. So that's a quite good thing to have or to see on this adapter. So guys, let us connect it, or let me show you how you can connect this one and use this adapter with maybe your PC or your radio or maybe your phone. So let us do that. Now guys, since you just buy this, mostly you buy this because it's Bluetooth capabilities. So let me show you how you can connect. I have these speakers, PC speakers. So let me show you how you can connect. So this is from the speakers, as you can see. So the first one is, if you have a phone and you want to transmit it to your wired speakers, that is. So this is how you want to connect. So from your speakers, this one, just plug it on aux there. Then this one needs power. It doesn't have internal battery, so I have a power here. It supports 5 volts, so the charging cable for your phone is enough. So plug it there. Then to turn it on, just press and hold this button like this, and as you can see, it is connected. So for this mode, you have to switch your switch here to RX. So that is a receiving mode from a Bluetooth device, and if you switch it, now it is in RX. So this one, I don't know if you can see it, it is in RX mode. So if I turn it on TX mode, as you can see, it is on TX, that is transmitting. So let me set it back to RX. So if it is on that, let me connect my computer, because my PC has a Bluetooth. So let me connect it. So go to your computer and search devices. Let me show you. Yes, just go there and search. As you can see, now we have C68. I'm sure, I don't know if you can see, but we have a C68 here. So select that and connect. Now, as you can see, now we are connected. So say done here. Now after saying done, so you can go ahead and play a music. So let us do that. As you can hear, guys, now you can reduce the volume using this knob, or you can adjust, and you can hear we are connected with our computer with the Bluetooth. As you can see, I have not connected anything else, just Bluetooth, guys. Now guys, the other way you want to connect your adapter is, let's say you have headphones which mostly supports Bluetooth, which are not wired, they don't support wire connection, and you want to connect them. Maybe you have a car which has aux and you want it to connect your Bluetooth headphones, or maybe you have a PC which doesn't support Bluetooth and you want them to connect with the Bluetooth, so with this adapter. So what you do, we have a aux cable here. So this one, just plug it on the aux side. So you can see we have aux here, just plug it there. Then on the other side, on this side, plug it on the radio on your car. Maybe your car, the radio has aux output, so plug this side there. And if it's a PC, plug it on the output, or maybe output of a microphone. Sorry, not microphone, earphone. We have output there on your PC. You can plug it there. Then on your this adapter, this switch, we have a switch. The other switch, remember the switch. Switch it to TX mode, as you can see, like that. Switch it there. Now after switch it on, then go ahead and switch on your headphone like so. Then just wait. So if it's connected, you can go ahead and play any music here. So let us play this one. Now after playing, maybe this is a little, so let me increase the volume like this. And yes, as you can hear, guys, we have a volume. The earphones are receiving the audio, as you can hear. And if I reduce the volume here like this, as you can hear, they are reducing, the volume is reducing. And if I increase, yes, it is connected. So guys, and if I reduce like this, so this is the way you can connect. And also there is another way you can still connect the same way. If you have you can still use these cables. You can just plug them here like so, like this. Then after plugging them in, on this side you can plug it on your, maybe if it's a radio, it doesn't support Bluetooth, or if it's your computer and you want it to use the same way. So if I plug them, you can plug this on your aux on your radio, or maybe on your speaker, or sorry, on your PC like so. And then if we play, yes, as you can hear, yes, it is still playing. And then if I reduce the volume, as you can hear, the volume, it is reduced, and I can still increase like so. So it goes up to 30. So now you have seen. Now you can experiment with maybe you have a flash, or maybe you have a flash disk, or if you have a micro SD card, you can experiment with that. And also if you have a DVD player and you want to connect it, and you know, DVD doesn't support aux, so what you do, you can just plug this one here, and then on the other side here you can plug it on your DVD player or any other devices which they have these RC cables, audio cables. So if you do that, you can still use this one as for transmitting data. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on my next one.